Okay, so we will start now. We'll start from Mangalam. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir me sada. So today we are going for 7th chapter. So let's see. So Sukti will see first. Anuktam apyuhati pandito janaha. This is very simple. So only you have to break the sandhi. Anuktam. Anuktam is anuktam. In English also you can say anuktam. So uktam means said. Anuktam means which is not said. Api. So anuktam there is no sandhi. Then a is there. Api. Then there is a sandhi. Api uhati. Apyuhati pandito is the sandhi is there. Panditaha janaha. Janaha is people. Panditaha is wise. So panditaha janaha anuktam api. What all those people who are pandita, who are knowledge or wise people, they uhati. Uhati means guess. Actually guess, or you can say here understand is telling. So shabdartha will not take. So Pandit, a wise person can understand or can guess anuktam api, what is not even said. So if you are wise, you can, if somebody's behavior, I think that much everyone is wise. With someone's behavior, you can figure out like all the thing, whatever he might not be willing to tell, or whatever he is not telling by words, you can understand by his body language and all. So if you don't understand, then you are a murkha. So that is what it is telling. Anuktam api uhati panditaha janaha. So whoever are wise, they understood whatever is not said, that also. So with this, we'll come to Chatu Shloka. So we'll do little fast where it is not required much explanation, so that whatever remaining time we can do some more exercises. So Chatushloka will see वाच्यतां समयोतीतः स्पष्टमग्रे भविष्यति इति पाठयतां ग्रन्थे काठिन्यं कुत्र वर्तते. So this is very sarcastic. Hopefully I am not doing in this way. So Vachyatam is lot. So keep on reading, or it is telling read on, continue. Samayaha atitaha. Time is over. Atitaha is past. So time is over. Keep on reading. Spastam agre bhavishyati. You will understand it going forward. Later you will understand. Just keep on reading. Time is not there. Keep on reading. You will get understand it later. Iti pathayatam. So like this, if somebody or someone has to teach granthe, so then in the book or in the whatever shastra, kathinyam kutra vartate, then where is the difficulty? So if you are teaching something like this, like just read it over, we don't have time, or later you will understand. So any book, any shastra you can teach. What is the difficulty in that? It means it is telling if you are reading just for reading, not for understanding, or your teacher is doing like that way, reading for reading, not for understanding, then any book is easy book only. So end of the day, you will not understand anything. But this is a sarcastic way of telling. That is why it is Chatu Shloka. There is, I don't think any word is there. Vachatam, you can figure out from tam, that vandatam, vandetam, vandantam, like that. Samayaha atitaha, atitaha, you can figure it out. Spastam agre, there is no sandhi, that is writing. Bhavishyati, that is Lit lakar, future tense. Iti, like this. Pathayatam. It is not pat. It is pat. Pat means to teach. Like pathati, someone reading. Pathayati, someone teaching. Granthe is Saptami. In the book. Kathinyam is the kathin is tough. Kathinyam means where is same means making tough. Kutra is where. Vartate is again another verb. Vartate is like asti. Akpanepadi. So then comes to samasya. As we know, like samasya is nothing but using only some pada of some big stanza and then trying to interpret it in some very random way or 180 degree different way than it is intended. So वार्धके यौवने वापि केसरी भात विशिष्यते. So who all know kesari bhat? What is kesari bhat? You people know? I think everyone should know. So
both rava halwa and
yeah,
upma.
that they say here in Bangalore, that they say chocho bhat. Kesari bhat and khara bhat. They are
Yes,
separate.
rava.
Yeah. So then together when they are given, then that is chocho bhat. So here it is. Here it is telling vardhake. Vardhake means when you are grown. Yauvane. Yauvane means when you are in young stage. Va api. So either you are grown or you are young. In both cases, kesari bhat, that sweet dish, vishishyate, that is like special or that comes out. So this is the meaning of this. So but this doesn't make any sense. So if you come here and look it in some different way, then you will figure out if we make a sandhi over here, kesari ibhat. So kesari is lion, ibhat is panchami of ibhaha. Ibha is elephant. So ibhat means panchami is used for comparison, you already know. So like bhavbhuteha, Kalidasaha bhavbhuteha shresthaha. So Kalidasa is superior than bhavbhuti. So similarly, Kesari is lion, Ibhat from elephant, Vardhake when he is grown, adult or means even old also you can say, or Yauvane when he is very young. In both the cases, he is superior, Vishishyate. He is special or superior than that. So both meanings you can say. So samasya is this only. If you read it in word meaning, you will figure out like this is Kesari Bhat, a dish. But if you try to solve the samasya and look it in a proper way, then you will figure out this Kesari Bhat is not a proper word. So it is a combination of two words, that is Kesari Bhat. And there is a sandhi that is called as Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So this is a very simple samasya. This doesn't have anything else. Then we reach to Subhashitam. So Ratnaihi Mahabdhehe Tutushuhu Na Devaha. So if you start reading, wherever Ra is there, Rakara is there, and Sakara is there, you can silently replace with Visarga. If you figure out like it's a word which is ending in certain vibhakti. So when I saw Ratnai, so I can immediately think, okay, Ratnaihi is a proper word. So I will say, okay, Ratnaihi. So Ratnaihi Mahabdhehe Tutushuhu Na Devaha Na Bhejire Bhima Vishena, one word, Bhitim Sudham Vina Na Prayayuhu, again Ra is there, Viramam Na Nishchitarthat, that Ta has become Da, Na Nishchitarthat, then Ikara, E will come as Va, Viramanti Dhiraha. So this is the Padavibhaga. So that is, there are many sandhis. So if you look closely, you will catch them all. So actually there are some sandhis that are Vyanjana sandhis. So like ta converts to da. So that you will understand in next level. As of now, you take them like it is like this and just take them like that. So Ratnaihi Mahabdhehe Tutushuhu Na Devaha Na Bhejire Bhima Vishena Bhitim Sudham Vina. So Vina, you see Vina, for Vina we use Tritiya also, Ditiya also. So here Ditiya is there. Sudham Vina Na Prayayuhu Viramam Na Nishchitarthat Viramanti Dhiraha. So meaning wise, if you say Ratnaihi, so it is Tritiya. So by whatever Ratnas. Mahabdhehe. Maha is for great. Abdhe is for Abdha is water, means ocean, you can say. So Mahabdhe means Mahasagara. Tutushuhu. Tutushu means satisfaction, getting satisfied. Na. So it is negating, not getting satisfied. Who? Devaha. So Deva is gods. So gods did not got satisfied from the gems, whatever they got from Mahabdhe. So this is talking about that our Ksheerasagara churning. So where they were doing it for Amrita. So that is the context here. So they, before Amrita, they got many gems from the ocean, and they did not got satisfied, like, okay, now finally we got gems, we got Lakshmi, so let's stop this. So that is what is the bhava here. Na bhejire. So that is one part, like they did not got deviated from their goal by getting something good. Now it is telling for something bad. So Bhima Visheda. Bhima is again for something very dangerous or very heavy. Vishena, by Visha, poison. So I think Kalakut was the Visha which came, and whatever Visha came out, that was very, very poisonous. So because of that, Bhitim na bhejire. So Bhitim na bhejire. So they didn't got frightened because of that, whatever very deadly kind of Visha came out from the ocean churning. So neither they got attracted by the gems, neither they got frightened by the Visha. Sudham Vina na Prayayuh Viramam. So Sudham Vina. So their goal was Amrita, nectar. So that is Sudha. So Sudham Vina, without Sudha. So without Sudha, Amritam, na Prayayuh Viramam. So they did not stop without getting the Sudha. So like this, now it is all with all example. Now it is giving the command or the sukti kind of thing. Na nishchitarthat viramanti dhiraha. So dhiraha means brave people. Na viramanti. They do not deviate from what? Nishchitarthat. Nishchitarthat means nishchita, whatever they decided. Arthat means whatever was they decided to get. From that, they did not get deviated. So that is the Subhashita. This one is a very nice Subhashita, and this is very applicable also. You can apply it anywhere in life. So if anytime you have to figure out somebody is your friend or not, you just put him his character on this Subhashita. If he fits or she fits, then no doubt he or she is your friend. So this is telling the Lakshana of Mitra. So property, or how to figure out that you have a friend. So first is Papat Nivarayati. So again here that Sandhi is there, so which is not taught to you. So Ta is there. Ta goes because the next one is Na, so that also get converted to Na. So Papat Nivarayati. Papat is Panchami, Nivarayati is the verb. पापात् निवारयति. योजयते हिताय, गुह्यं निगूहति, गुणान् प्रकटीकरोति. आपद्गतं च न जहाति, ददाति काले, सन्मित्रलक्षणम् इदं प्रवदन्ति सन्तः. So many verbs are here in this. So you can see every line has two verbs. Papat nivarayati. So from papa, from the bad things, he will prevent you. He will keep you away. Or she will. Yojayate hitaya. And always engage you in something which is beneficial. Hitaya, which is for your hita. Guhyam niguhati. Guhyam is your secret. So which is whichever is your secret, that your person will niguhati. He will keep them secret. Gunan prakati karoti. And whatever qualities you have, that he will tell aloud to people other than you. Apadgatam cha, and when you go to some bad time or when your bad time is running, na jahati, it does not leave you. Dadati kale, and when time again, when time is there, when time is not good, then he gives you something, whatever is you are in need of. Dadati kale, whenever whatever you are in need of in certain time, he will give you. Sanmitra Lakshanam Idam. So this is the Lakshana or characteristic of a good friend or true friend. Sat becoming San. Sat Sanmitra Lakshanam Idam. And who declared this Lakshana? Santaha. Good people or sadhu people has told. Pravadanti. They tell, not told. They tell this is the characteristic of good friend. So again we will see papat nivarayati. If your friend is your friend, then he will not encourage you to do any bad thing. Yojayate hitaya, and if he or she gets any chance to put you in some beneficial this thing, he will do that or she will do that. Guhyam nigohati, if anything you told to them, that will stay with them. Gunan prakati karoti, and whenever you are not there, they will talk whatever qualities you have to others. Apad gatam chana jahati. So anytime you call night time or something, they will pick your phone like that. Tadati kale, and whatever you require, there is no excuse. They try to fulfill if they can. Sanmitra Lakshanam Idam. So this is the characteristic of true friend, and this is told by Pravadanti Santaha. It is told by Santas, sadhus, or one who are apta, kind of, you can say, one whose vachana can be taken seriously. So here Padasangraha again. Nothing is there to explain. So we'll come to Kavya Katha. So Kavya Katha till now we have seen, like in last class, we have seen Raghu was married to Indumati and he has a son named as Aja. Sorry, I think Aja. Okay, Raghu was not. Okay. Raghu's son Aja was married to Indumati. I'm very sorry. So, and he has a son named Dasharatha, and Indumati actually was Apsara, and someday she got liberated and she got died, and Aja Maharaja became very sad after her departure, and he also went into Ganga Sangama and left his body. So now after that Dasharatha was made king. So this part of story is starting from here. So the title of story is Dasharathasya Shapaha. So he had got a curse. So that is in like highlighted in this particular part of story. So let's see that. Dasharatha samyak rajyam paripalayati sma. So you know sma will convert the whole sentence into past. Paripalayati is a present tense verb. So Dasharatha paripalayati. Dasharatha was ruling. What? Rajyam, kingdom. How? Samyak, properly. Sma means was. Kintu, but. Bahu kalam. Bahu is many or much. Kalam is samaya. Saha putra rahitaha. So for much time, he was, for long time, he was without son. Asit, he was. Tas atah tasya chinta asit. So that is why atah, therefore, tasya, his means Dashrathasya chinta, worry, asit. Devendraha devalokasya nripaha. So Devendraha, king of Devas. And he is Nripaha, he also is king of what place? Devalokasya. So the world of Devas. Tasya Rajdhani Amaravati, and his capital is called as Amaravati. So same name is given to our Andhra Rajdhani now, Amaravati. Rakshasaha Devanam Vairinaha. So Vairi is the word, Vairinaha is the plural. So Rakshasaha Vairinaha. So Kesham Vairinaha, whose Vairi? So Devanam Vairinaha. Te Devalokasya Akramanam Kritavantah. So those Rakshasaha attacked Akramanam Kritavantah. They did Akramana. Where? Devalokasya, to Devaloka. Devaha Bhitaha, and Devatas are worried. Devendraha Dasharathasya Sahayam Prarthitvan. So Devendra, Sahayam means help, Prarthitvan means requested. Whose? Dasharathasya, of Dasharatha. Dasharatha Devalokam Gatva Asuraihi Saha Yuddham Kritvan. So Dasharatha went to Devalokam Gatva. So one sentence. Asuraihi Saha. Saha yoge tritiya. You know, whenever Saha will come, then will whoever it is Saha with, that will go in tritiya. So Asuraihi Saha. So with demons or Rakshasa, Yuddham Kritvan. So he did Yuddha. Yuddhe Rakshasaha Parajitaha. So in the war, Yuddhe Rakshasaha, demons or Rakshasas, Parajitaha, they got defeated. Devanam Saukhyam Jatam. So Devanam means of Devas. Saukhyam means fame. Jatam. So they were like you can say they won this thing. So they were happy and they got some good words like they won the war. Kalaha atitaha. So samay past, time past. Ekada, once, avyaya. Vasantamase, in the time of month of Vasanta. So that is around February, March, current time. So that time it might be different. Dasharatha Mrigayam Kartum. Mrigayam means that is the hunting. So for killing the animal, that Mrigayam Kartum is Tumun, for doing that. Vanam is Dvitiya Gatvan. He went to forest for doing the hunting. Vane hinsraha praninaha asan. So now it is trying to justify, like he did not went and kill all those prani which were gentle or something. Hinsraha. So one who were cruel. Praninaha. Prani is the word. Praninaha is plural. Asan is matching that past tense verb. So in the forest, some cruel animals were there. Nripaha anekan praninih hatvan. So king has killed many of these kind of prani or the animals. This is not clear what is written. Dasharatha ratrau vane eva vishrantim svikritvan. So vane eva, in the forest only. Ratrau is saptami, in the night. Vishrantim means rest. Svikritvan means he did rest. King Dasharatha rested in forest itself in night. Pratah Dasharatha Ashwam Arudhavan. So Arudhavan is Tavatu. So Dasharatha, King Dasharatha rode horse. When? Pratah, morning. Tamasa Nadi Tiram Gatavan. So he went to the banks of Tamasa Nadi. So on the bank of this Tamasa Nadi, Valmiki also used to live. So here, whatever his initial poetry came, that was in, I think, Tamasa Nadi only. And this is near Ayodhya, some 20 kilometer towards Prayag. So Tamasa Nadi Tiram Gatvan. Nadi Tire Tapasvi Kumaraha Asit. So on the bank of Nadi, Tapasvi Kumara, son of some Tapasvi, was there. Saha Kumbhe Jalam Purayati Sma. So he was Purayati. Saha Purayati Sma. He was filling. What he was filling? Jalam. He was filling water. Where? Kutra Kumbhe, in the pot. Nripaha Durat Tam Shabdam Shrutvan. So if you fill kumbha or any closed neck where the very less opening is there, that pot from any place, river or silent river which is not falling from some mountain or so there will sound will come. So that sound matches with some animal sound. So that's what it is telling. Nripaha, king, Durat, from away itself, Panchami, Tam Shabdam Shrutvan, that sound he heard from far itself. Gajasya Shabdaha iti saha chintitvan. So Gajasya Shabdaha. So he thought it is elephant's sound. Elephant is drinking water. Gajam Hantum Vanam Visristavan. So for killing that Gaja, for killing that elephant, he means whatever, threw the arrow. Banaha tapasvi kumaram atalayat. So that Bana came and he, that Tapasvi Kumara got, he got that Bana into his whatever chest or something. He got that Bana stuck. So why it happened? Because Dasharatha was having a, you can say, Vidya, where he can aim depending on the sound. So he did not need a clear sight to aim an arrow. He can aim an arrow from sound. So that is called as Sabda Vedhi Bana. So Vedhi means something which pierces, and Shabda depending on sound. So because of that, he properly aimed and somehow killed this. So Kumaraha Hatat iti krandanam kritvan. So whatever that Kumara was there, the boy was there, she shouted like, "Oh father," like that, Hatat, before dying. Nripaha tasya samipam gatvan. Now king has reached and he went near him. Bana ahatam tam drishtva nripaha ativaha dukhitaha. So after seeing him like he is getting killed by this arrow, the king became very sad. Patitam tapasvi kumaram ashramam nitavan. Patitam means which was fell. Tapasvi kumaram, what Tapasvi Kumara which already felt on earth. Ashramam nitavan, he brought him to his ashrama. Nitavan is tavatu. Tatra vriddhau. Vriddhau means telling for two. So vriddhau dampatyau it should be. or Dampati is anyway dual. It is a Nitya Dvivachana. Always dual only. Astam. So that is why Astam is there. Asit, Astam, Asan. So there in that ashrama, so two whatever his parents were there, Tapasvi Kumaraha Mritaha. So by that time, that person, that Kumara, got died. Mritam putram drishtva vriddhaha kupitaha. So after seeing his son died, the old person became angry. Dasharathas, what is this? It's not properly scanned. 5, 6, 7. दशरथाय पुत्रशोकात् तवापि मरणं भविष्यति. दशरथाय चतुर्थी पुत्रशोकात् तव अपि मरणं भविष्यति. You also will die in the sorrow of your son. Iti, like this, shapam dattavan. Like this they cursed him, Dasharatha. Shapam shrutva Dasharatha dukhitaha abhavat. So after listening this shapa curse, Dasharatha became sad. Putra bhavishyati. But he understood like these people are, whatever curse they are giving, that will not go waste. That is going to be true. So he got somewhat happy also, like I will get a son. Because then only I will die in the Putra Viyoga. Tathapi शापभारेण सह दशरथः राजधानीं प्रत्यागतवान्. So after that, with this load of this curse, he came back to his Pratyagatavan. He came back to where Rajdhanim. So his capital he came back. So this is the story of Dasharathasya Shapaha, curse of Dasharatha. We'll come back if time permits. We'll see these. But anyway, these are all answer is written there inside. So we'll see the Sankshepa Ramayana again. So Sa Jagam Vanam Viraha Ramapada Prasadakaha Gatva tu Samahatmanam Ramam Satya Parakramam Ayachad Bhrataram Ramam Aryabhava Puraskritaha Tvameva Raja Dharmajya Iti Ramam Vacho Bravit. So this is very poetic. So after seeing this, so you see so many verbs are there, and this all is too much mixed. So we'll do it in our way. So actually, if you see this is 34th in Sankshepa Ramayana, this two are 35 and this one is 36th. But here, since they are condensing it, so they mixed it all. So Saha Jagam. Jagam we already know, it's a lit verb. Vanam Dvitiya, Saha Prathama, Viraha Prathama, Ramapada Prasadakaha Prathama. So this one is very clear. Ramapada Prasadakaha, Saha, Viraha, Vanam, Jagam. So Ramapada Prasadakaha. Ramapada Prasadaka means one who is for him prasada is Ramasya feet. So or prasadakaha is, if you say null, okay. So one who makes Rama's feet happy. Also that will be more opt. One who makes Ram's path prasada means happy. So who is that person? So that is Bharata, because he does so much of seva of Rama that his feet become happy. So Rama Pada Prasadakaha. Saha, that Bharataha. And what is another Visheshana for him? Veeraha, he is brave also. Jagam, went. Where he went? Vanam, he went to forest. Now, Gatva tu sa Mahatmanam Ramam Satya Parakramam. Now you see all the Dvitiya is sounding here. Satya Parakramam Ramam Mahatmanam. Dvitiya is there, but there is no other verb. So gatva only is there. So this is the Purvakalik Kriya. So we will come to next line to in search of any verb. Ayachad. So this is the verb ayachat. So that is because of this sandhi, it is becoming ayachad. Ayachat bhrataram ramam aryabhava puraskritaha. So now we can make it the sentence. What is the prathama in this? Saha. And then this ramam aryabhava puraskritaha. Two are in prathama. And kriya is ayachat, means begged. So we can write it saha aryabhava puraskritaha ayachat. Now he ayachat after what? Gatvatu. So because this is Purvakali Kriya, this he did first. So Gatvatu, where he went, to whom he went. So next all are that only. Mahatmanam, Ramam, Satyaparakramam, Bhrataram. He went to him. And then what? He ayachat, he asked. So what he asked, we'll see this also, then we'll see in the meaning. Tvam eva, tvameva, Raja, you only are king, Dharmajyaha, and you knower of the Dharma, Dharmajya, iti, like this, Ramam, to Rama, Vachaha, whatever that words, Abravit. Abravit is again past tense. He said like this. So he said like you only are king. Like that he said to Rama. So now if you see the, okay, let's see what is here. So this, okay. This all you can read your own. There is so much table, towel and all those things are there. But that all is not required. So you can simply start figuring out how to figure out prathama, how to figure out verb. If you know prathama and verb, then half of the thing is done. Rest you have to fit. Now if you know tva pratyaya properly, then you know like it's a purvakalik kriya. So this is not the final kriya. So this had happened earlier. After this also should have happened something. So accordingly we have to sa jagama vanam veeraha ramapada prasadakah. So ramapada prasadakah sah veeraha vanam jagam. So that Bharata, who is Ramapada Prasadaka, and Veera too, he went to forest. Which forest? Where already Rama, Sita and Lakshmana was staying. So that was Chitrakutam. Last time we had seen Chitrakutam Manutprapya Bharadwajasya Shashanat Ramya Vasatham Krutva Ramamada Vanetrayaha. So he went Jagam and Gatva tu sa Mahatmanam. After going there, what he did? Mahatmanam Ramam Satyaparakramam. So Rama, who is Mahatma, Satyaparakrama, Bhrataram, and his brother, that kind of Ramam, what he did? Ayachat. He asked. What he asked? What he asked is the next line. Tvameva Raja Dharmajya. So you only are the king, knower of dharma. So iti vacho abravit. So like this he has told. Okay. So that is the total meaning of this. Anything, all extra things you can see here. I am not putting too much emphasis on this because I don't want you to make proper this table and all those things, because that is I am keeping it for third level. So as of this level, you just do the breaking. Just try to arrange it as per vibhakti, figure out the kriya separately and try to make some meaning. That is more than enough. Because if you will start trying doing all these things, I feel like it will be much for everyone. Few people who are already they know, for them it is fine, they can do that. So next is Anuvada Paddhati. So today's Anuvada Paddhati is actually, there is only one concept that I will tell you. So concept is, it is telling the Bhuta Kridanta. So it is telling the Bhuta Kridanta. So Bhuta Kridantas are Kartari Bhuta Kridanta is Ktavatu. So that is Patitvan, Patitavati, Patitvat. Karmani Bhuta Kridanta is Kta. So Patitaha, Patita, Patitam, like that. If you don't want, Kridanta means participle. So Bhuta Kridanta means past participle. So if you don't want to use participle, you can use the pure verb also. Apathat, alikhat, like that. But that is not what it is trying to tell you in this. So it is telling there is a little confusion. This you have read in first level also, Pravesha also. It is telling when there is a upasarga. When there is a upasarga, then the past tense verb forms becomes little different. So that is what it is trying to tell you. So it is telling one example here. Harati. Harati is the pure verb. So if I add a upasarga, pra, in front of this, so it becomes praharati in present tense. When you will convert into past tense, there are chances, like few people who know, like this ti becomes ta and a comes in the before, they might translate it as apraharat and which will be wrong. So that is what it is trying to teach you in this Anuvada Paddhati. So it is telling whenever you have to add a, and if there is a upasarga, then first you add the a, you make it aharat, then you add the upasarga. So then upasarga you will add and savarna dirgha sandhi will happen and it will become praharat. So praharat, if you see, you will not feel like it is a past tense word, because the prominent marker what we have for past tense pure verbs, that is that they begin with a, avandata or apathat. So in both cases, atmanepadi and parasmaipadi, it becomes with a. But now you have to remember, it is true only in case when the verb doesn't have a upasarga. So same examples now is giving you here everywhere. So we aharat. So this is harati. So harati becomes aharat and vi is the upasarga. So it is not aviharat you will not make. Instead of that, you will first make aharat, then you will add vi, and then it will become vyaharat. So what sandhi happened here? Anyone? Vi plus aharat became vyaharat. What sandhi happened?
Yanasandhi.
Yana sandhi, because ya is seen here. So e became e is getting converted. So va will become half, and instead in place of e, ya will come. Ya is half, and this a will make that complete. So vyaharat. So wherever you see upasarga, then you try to see the ending. So ending, if it is having ta or ta, then you doubt, like it may be the verb with upasarga. This will be a lang lakara with upasarga. So participle also it is telling, and it is trying to tell you here, using participle is easy in these cases, because it will be still clearly visible like there is a upasarga. And if you see vyaharat, it is hard to figure out, it's a past tense word, where if you see vihritvan, so then it is clearly known, it's a tavatu, and ritvan is the real tavatu, v is the upasarga. Now same things everywhere is there. Now samharati becomes aharat plus sam. So samaharat, and here samhritvan. So this you can go through. They all are same. Pra akshalayat. So it will become prakshalayat. So a plus agachat becomes agachat or came. So that is this thing only, and then here if you add the same way for pari upasarga is there, so same thing is there. So you can try to fill your own. If not, so what I am planning, like we will finish this by December, and then 15 days you take to go through everything, and after that we can have further classes where you have any confusion, doubt or exercises. and that should end by January end, and then February beginning you should start preparing your own. So that is my plan. Let's see how it goes. So then next is the Sangrahya Vishayaha. So today we are saying famous eights. So 8 is also a very auspicious number. So many things are 8. So Ashtadikpalakaha. So dik is direction. Palaka means once they take care of direction. So 8 people are there who take ownership of different directions. So 10 directions are there total. So one top and bottom, if Swarga Patala you leave. So these are the 8 directions. 4 direction what we know today and 4 corners. So that together is 8. So Indraha, Agnihi, Yamaha, Nirtihi, Varunaha, Vayuhu, Kuberaha, Ishanaha. These are the 8 Dikpalakaha. Then Ashta Diggajaha. Diggajaha means Gajaha means by name it is elephant, and the same word is used for very brave warriors also. So I'm not sure which one is here. At least Airavata is the elephant. Pushpadantaha, Vamanaha is not elephant. Pundarikaha, Anjanaha, Sarvabhaumaha. So we need to check. If you want, I can check. Then Ashta Siddhayaha. So these are the 8 siddhis which are achieved by tapasya or some practice. So by using this only you can control somebody, or one can walk on water. So all those comes into these siddhis. Anima, Mahima, Garima, Lagima, Prapti, Prakamyam, Ishitvam, Vashitvam. So those who are called as Siddha Purusha or Siddha people, so they have any of this power or all of this power. So because of that, they can do some chamatkara. So they are 8. So that is called as Siddhi becomes Siddhayaha in plural. Then Ashtamangalani. So these 8 are our Mangala symbols. So wherever something auspicious is happening, so you will see these 8 symbols or any one of these 8 symbols. So Simha, having a lion photo or like a structure is Mangala, means it's a Shubh. So that is why if you see in temple and all, you will see all of this. And that is how archaeology and all people, they figure out, like in our country it happens, right? Earlier it was temple, now it is broken. So with these only you can figure out. So if even for Sri Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, ASI has used them as evidences. Kalasha, because at the top of temple mostly Kalasha is there. Then in temple you will have this all lion, bull, elephant, fan, flag, bheri, deepaha. So all these are Mangal like symbols. Then there is Ashtanga Namaskaraha. So that if you remember, they say Sashtanga. Sa is with, Ashta means 8, Sashtanga. Anga is limbs or body, Namaskara is Namaste. So when somebody does a Namaskara totally by laying down on earth, so by making touch his chest, head, eye, mind, feet, hand, ear touching the ground, and while uttering the word Namaha, so that is called as Sashtanga with Ashtanga, with 8 body parts, Namaskara. So that also is famous 8. So with this, now will come today's tradition is for Gomata. So that is Gavaha. So Gavaha is plural again. Gau is a Aukarant word. So Gauhu, Gavahu, Gavaha. Gavaha is plural. So Mama Agrataha. Santu is Lord. So let there be cows in front of me. Agrataha. Gavo, again it is Gavaha. Me, Mama, Santu, Prishtataha. Prishtha is behind. So let cows will be my back. Gavaha me mama hridaye nityam. So let cows be in my heart always, nityam. Gavam madhye. So among the cows, madhye vasami aham. So I live. Vasami is the present tense. So I live between cows or in the middle of cows. So this is somebody's wish because he is using the lot lakara. So this is your chapter 7. What was the remaining part? With this, we'll take the today's doubts and some further exercises. We have 10 minutes.